Hi everyone, welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. And no, you're not watching an old B movie. My car ate my audio. But what I wanted to tell you is I am heading towards the Shenango Valley Area Scale Modelers SVASM Con 39 model show over in Pennsylvania. The guys were really awesome over there. So let's jump in there because you don't want to watch me talk and be out of sync. So we'll jump right in. Here we are at Shenango Valley Area Scale Modelers. Just you can see out in the parking lot. There's nowhere left to park. This place is packed. Well, come on in. Let's see what we got. Oh, check out the shirt. Soon I want to have one of them. Come on inside.
I thought it was it says it's excellent price. Yeah. If you get these
Separate. Now, how cool is this?
Oh yeah.
I'll take a bunch of pictures here and we'll show everybody what we got. But this is impressive. I mean, very impressive. All right, here's the first table. And I fell in love with every one of these trucks. This was trucks and tractor trailers and service trucks. And like that wrecker and the tractor trailer, we had Smokey and a Bandit and the Bandit car, dump truck. Coming up here, you see the car hauler with the car in it, which makes me want to get back to mine. And then we even have a hay bale puller with actual hay bales. Then there was a bunch more later on, but I didn't get those on video. I'll have them in picture. All right, here's another table with motorcycles and, geez, a whole bunch of cars. The blue T-Bird was awesome. These two motorcycles, I got to talk to this guy, and these are impressive. So I'm going to have his interview here down the road a little bit. But I wanted to show the next set of tables and all the awesome builds that are on here and the talent. The talent is just amazing in every one of these kits. I was so impressed here. All right, I said I was going to talk to the person that made this, and here he is. Tell me everything about it. Yes, sir.
Ralph McStraw. It's a 1/6 scale Tamiya model. It's a Harley FLH. It started out as a bagger,
Yeah?
police bike. Everything you see on it that's chrome or chrome-like has been machined out of aluminum, and I mean everything.
That's amazing.
That's sprockets, everything. Brakes, rim, and the real shiny stuff is sent down to Pittsburgh and had plated.
Wow.
Took 2 years to build it, and if you look real close, I don't know if you can see it. If you look in the mirror, or I can tip it a little bit.
Oh, no, don't mess it up.
Oh, yeah, hang on. There's a hog head engraved in the cover.
Oh, there is.
Yeah.
Check that out.
The only thing that I didn't build myself, really, was a chain. They do make a chain now that you can put together. It's like a real chain. It goes together just like a real chain.
I wouldn't want to do that.
Well, I'm going to do that.
Are you really?
Yeah, I'm building another one that's a 70s style chopper. It's
Yeah?
going to be with the chain, Springer
Wow.
front end. And,
That's amazing.
the frame's been chopped and raised up, and the tank's been molded into the frame.
That is so cool.
A lot of work.
Yeah.
Turned out really good, though. It was done.
Turns
over-
into a labor of love, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
That is impressive. You guys are going to love this. Hey, I want to thank you for your time.
Thank you for filming it.
Oh,
When's it gonna
thanks
go
for
on
letting me.
YouTube?
Let's start up on another table here. We got the roadsters, we got the hot rods, we got the muscle cars and everything, and it's packed. People are starting to move in now, and boy, I'll tell you what, the talent just keeps getting bigger and bigger. I even got mine set up in here now. So we're rolling right along. I'll keep bringing these back and going from table to table. All right, let's continue on here. I even have the Cadillac Brougham out today. But look at all the talent that we got going on here. It's amazing. And the more I looked, the more excited I got, and the more kits I wanted to get. So I did pretty good just by keeping my wallet in my pants today. But the talent and the kind people and everybody wanting to talk and just give me more and more ideas. And I even had people coming up that knew me from the YouTube videos, which was really impressive. I've never thought of that. But we're down to the end of this table, and then I'm going to look up and I'm going to show you the vendors that were out here. And boy, did they have a nice selection. It was starting to pack up. We had a few people in the back here, but as you see, the cars just kept adding up, and I just kept on walking through. All right, the last video I cut here was the youth table, and I am so impressed with these kids, man. They just, I never could build when I was their age like this. No way in heck. I'm glad I wasn't competing against some of these guys. They really, really laid down some nice kits here. I'll show you these, and what I want to stress is these are the modelers of the future, and they're showing us how talented they are now. So I can't wait to see what comes down the pipe. At the end of this video, I'm going to start like a music montage, and at the end of that, I'll show you what I brought home. I did all right at this show, more than I ever expected, but I want to thank everybody for how awesome they were.